is we'll come up here and cut back around. What do you think? Yeah. I know, right? A little bit loud. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Gang gang? Or we're gonna swing back around to where the market's at. Yeah. KK Fresh Mart. I'll do you too, sir. Okay, so you gotta watch your head. You gotta watch your head. Yeah. Oh, there's KFC right there. What the hell, Junior? I feel like that's kind of a ripoff. I thought it was strange that they wouldn't have a KFC close by. Since like every village has a KFC. And this isn't exactly a small place. Coffee shop. Well, I guess I could take you for KFC after. Yeah. Looks like the crazy's up here more. Wanna go back to the crazy fun shit? Does Junior want some loud music? Right? Nice breeze. You feeling okay up there? I think you're a little bit bored. Guess I got 2 more of these roads to do.
潇洒。